Take a look at this new 2013 Ram 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the convenience group, remote start and security group, black interior, cloth bucket seats, sport premium group, sport performance hood, Whopper chrome tubular side steps, 32-gallon fuel tank, park view rear backup camera, power adjustable pedals and the classic receiver hitch. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.